welcome back to another episode on our YouTube channel Rescoli by Carlo. Today we decided to upcycle this candle holder. Actually, it was a candle holder when we bought it, but then we removed the candle and we decided to do it as a pen holder. But with this upcycling, now we decided to do it as a candy jar, which is proper for us when we're hungry for some sweets. These are the things that you need for this upcycling project. From where did we start? Basically, this was a metal, well, it still is a metal stand, but we gave it a little bit of light sanding. Then we gave it a coat of city slicker, which basically was used as a base coat. Then we went for salt of the earth, but instead of covering it all, we just dabbed the paint on all the process, just to create some more effects. After the salt of the earth, we went for the Yorkshire rose and did the same. And again with the green with envy and the gorgeous gold. If you notice, we used the paint from practically 4 different ranges of the Frenchic furniture paint to create this piece. After we finished the green with envy, we went with the gorgeous gold and we did the same thing, dabbing gold on it. And finally, we put on our favorite product, which is the browning wax, to give it a little bit of detail and depth to it. So now we have our candy jar ready to be filled, obviously, with candy. Thank you very much. See you next week. And in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Rescoli by Carlo, of course.